body tougher than me. I was good with fists, fast ready for work, as you can plainly see. But while fighting was useful for getting your word on the toughs of the town, you all scream. There had to be something that was better than this. I was 15 years old, I'd never been kissed. But of course she'd ignore me. Our friends would all sneer at me, bloody nose driven in me cauliflower ear. For it's hard to convince in a romantic pose with a lovely black eye and a golden nose. Where a girl is attracted to skills more refined than the pugilist's art, and so I inclined to take myself serious as a modern romancer, and I secretly learned all the moves of a dancer. Yes, swing to the left, swing to the right. Keep your eyes on your partner, more or less like a fight. You just follow the rhythm. Keep to the beat, the important things never to look at your feet. Then a miracle happens. Your mind's in a trance, though the strategy's subtle. Retreat in advance, all about attitude, all in your stance. Attention to detail, leaving nothing to chance, which explains how the pugilist finally learned how to dance. It's a 3-minute round, and you're back in your corner. You're licking your wounds just like little Jack Horner. Don't let your guard down, try a jab with your right, or you're losing on points by the end of the night. Now everyone's watching, expecting I'll fail, but there's a fire in my belly. There's a wind in me sails. I knew it was risky, I was taking a chance. I couldn't retreat now, I had to advance. So I swing to the left, swing to the right. Keep the eyes on your partner, like you would in a fight. Then just follow the rhythm. Keep to the beat, the important things never can look at your feet. Then a miracle happens, when everyone's screaming, you're pinching yourself, just in case you're still dreaming. Taking the initiative, taking the chance. It's the night when the pugilist finally learned how to dance. In a bout where the strategist made you prepared, where it seemed that his fortune had suddenly turned. 'Twas the night when the scrapper was suddenly dapper. This poor fellow's heart was still worn like a clapper's. The night that the pugilist finally learned how to dance.